Hi friends, this is a really fun activity to do. It's called Snowman Numbers from 1 to 20 Match. And what you need to do is either yourself or with help from an adult. There is a snowman hat, a face, a body, and a bottom. The top has a number, the middle just has a smiley face, and the bottom has one object. It's called a tally mark. And then the bottom has a 10 frame, which is the 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it has one black dot in there to tell you how many it should be. But the fun part is you have an adult or you cut them out. It goes 1, 2, 3 on this page, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And if you see at 11, they've added a second 10 frame. So you're actually going to work till 20. So here you have all 10 complete, so they need to add one more 10 frame to make 20. That's 10 and 10 make 20. Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. And on the tally marks, they have 5 as a group. So when you have 4 tally marks, the 5th one you add on an angle. So that gives you a group of 5. So you're going to go all the way through. And then you have 20 is your last one. And all the 10 frames are filled up. This one is just a plain one that you can make one up any number you want. But when they're apart, you have to add this and this and this and add a face to make a puzzle. Have fun with that. Then there's also some I can count and write. Let's start with this first page because it gives you a better idea of what's going on here. So you can write your name. Always practice writing your name because that's a really good skill to have. This is number 1. It skips what number and goes to 3. So after 1, this should be 2. So you'll write number 2, then 3, and then it makes a skip. After 3 comes 4, then 5, then, there's 2 skips. So it goes 5, 6, 7, then 8. Then there's 3 skips. So 8, 9, 10, 11. Then it goes to 12, and then there's another 1 skip. 13, 14, then there's 3 skips. 15, 16, 17, 18, 1 skip, 19, and 20. So you can fill all these out. If you like, you can do it in pencil so you can do it again. And then here, this one's a little trickier. So if you're not ready for it, put it aside. It only gives you number 1. So you're going to fill in all the rest of the numbers all the way to 20. You can also use this as a game board when you're finished and you can color it in. Have fun with it. Bye, friends.